Hi, it's Tommy Stewart, and today I'm talking about Video Crusher, as you can see on the screen there. Put together by two guys, well I think there's two guys, one called Darr, another called David Kirby, and a firm, rather than the guy's name, Pixabuild. It's available now, and its selling price is $18.66, and it really does look exceptionally nice piece of work. It's incredible new software that gets you unlimited buyers in 45 seconds. That is quick, very quick. You're just one click away from exploding your profits. Well then. 2 simple steps. Getting results is easy. All it takes is 2 simple steps. Get unlimited buyers in 45 seconds or less. You're one click away from freedom. That's freedom from having to go out and do a proper day's work. Profit big with video users, automated app. Quickly scale your earnings in just minutes. 100% newbie friendly and training included. Agency license worth $497 included, free of charge. 365-day money back guarantee. Now that is mega. Get results or you're paid $500. Now that is some guarantee that. If you don't get the results they're talking about inside a year, they'll give you $500. Can't be bad, can it? Return on investment, bonus included. Well, there you go. Step 1, log into the cloud software and tell the software where you want the buyers sent. Step 2, press go and sit back while the software gets you unlimited buyers in 45 seconds. There you are, $111.57 within 5 hours of getting started with the Video Crusher software. It's so easy. Why aren't you turning a big profit online? It doesn't matter who you are, what you're trying to sell online, or how long you've been trying to make an online income. There's a step-by-step system you must use to get results. The biggest hurdle most players get stuck on is getting visitors or buyers. You could have the best offer, the best product, but if you don't have buyers, then you won't get sales. And no sales means no profit. You will get your buyers guaranteed or money back with this software. And it doesn't matter if you're building a mailing list, selling a digital product of your own, trying to make money as an affiliate marketer, running a store with physical products, or you're part of a network marketing program, and so much more. If you can't get buyers, you're wasting your time, and that is quite true. Darr, as I said, David Kirby, and the other one is Justin Opay. That's the one that I didn't have the name for at the beginning. They're saying how excited they are that you're here. In just a few moments you'll discover a brand new software that will propel your online business further and faster than ever before. Most of the gurus out there actually want you to fail. I'm not surprised they keep on taking my money off me. That's because they know you're finally able to get buyers. If you're finally able to get buyers, you won't need them anymore. And you'll finally be able to stop buying their training courses and software tools. Yay! We know that this all too well because we've been right where you are now. I'm sorry. They're saying they know this all too well because they've been where you are now. We worked our butts off and did everything wrong. After a lot of spinning our wheels and wasting a lot of time and money, we discovered a virtually untapped way to get unlimited buyers to our website landing page and affiliate offers for free. To make it even easier to get all the free buyers we needed so we could online income quickly and easily, we created a simple software to automate the process. With this powerful software, they have been able to harness the power of video to get sales day after day and even night after night. Yesterday they got $111.57. Where do they get the cents from? And now you have the opportunity to get your hands on this simple point and click and all the buyers you need for success in 45 seconds or less. Video Crusher. Introducing Video Crusher. You don't need any prior skills or experience to get the sales flowing. All the buyers you get, they are 100% free. That's after you paid your $18.66 to buy the software. The buyers you get love to buy and convert into sales. Video Crusher gets you unlimited free buyers in 45 seconds. Stop wasting time and money on complicated methods and finally get all the buyers you need to make sales online today. Buyers that make you sales fast. Their software is hosted online, which means you never have to install anything. All you need is an internet connection and you get traffic with Video Crusher from anywhere in the world. You can even use Video Crusher to get your traffic on your Android or iOS phone. This software is completely newbie friendly and anyone can use this software to drive traffic and make money regardless of their experience. Video is bigger than ever and it's currently the best way to get quality, high engaged traffic that will quickly convert into money in your pocket. With Video Crusher you can harness the power of video without you ever having to get in front of the camera or any video editing or anything complicated. Everything is completely automated, and when we say newbie friendly, we mean it. That is, they mean it. Let's face it, unless you have thousands of dollars to invest in paid traffic, you need to figure out how to get quality free traffic online. If you want to make a solid daily income when you purchase Video Crusher, you will never have to pay for traffic ever again. And then there's the bonuses. Not bad. 8 bonuses here. 1K online training. 1K a day online training. You'll be invited to exclusive customer only training call when you learn the secrets of how we make up to $1,000 a day. They say the retail value of that is $997. I think that's stretched a wee bit myself. Free buyer traffic in seconds up. We also throw in a copy of our award-winning traffic software. Another $997 value. Though I don't believe that myself, but never mind. 3 and 4. 10 to 100 sales daily case study. I'll also include yet another case study with live proof showing you how we made 10 to 100 sales daily. That is how they made 60 in 60 days. Oh, sorry, 60k in 60 days. Case study. You're also getting direct access to Billy inside a private mastermind group. Another $997. Bonus 5 and 6. $1,100.34. I don't know where they get the cents from. Case study. And also, they also will include a case study detailing how they were able to generate 100 sales in a single 24-hour period. 100 sales that generated $1,100.34 in pure profit. And they will also throw in a copy of their award-winning video traffic software. There you go. And lastly, bonus 7 and bonus 8. $100 discount on upgrade number 1. You'll instantly qualify for a special $100 discount coupon that you can use to save $100 off the first upgrade. And private question and answer call. You're invited to live question and answer session where you can get live help and support. Each of them, again, $997. Take it with a pinch of salt. I like this. You're fully protected with our get results or get $500 money back guarantee. I mean, that is quite fantastic, that. I'm so confident that you'll get results with this program that I'm not only willing to take all the risk, but I'm also happy to put my money where my mouth is. How many times have you seen that before? Never. That's me, I've never seen it before. If you follow everything we teach you inside the program, and for some bizarre reason you don't get results, just open a support ticket and we will send you $500 and a full refund. Oh, that's tremendous. As well as that, we're also giving you the unconditional 365-day money back guarantee. Yes, you read that right. 365 freaking days. So, we never say freaking, by the way, but I won't tell you what we say. So, if for whatever reason or no reason at all you want your money back, just let us know and we'll send you back every cent. If you're not happy, we don't want your money. It's that simple. Oh, and you can keep everything too. So when you are waiting so what are you waiting for? Oh, sorry about that. So what are you waiting for? Act now and lock in your discount copy. Lock in your discounted copy right now. But that is quite tremendous, an absolute total bargain. I fear, however, that it might be misused. There you are. And that's it, folks. I can honestly say that that is the best warranty I have ever seen in my life. I'd also like to add that if you look below this video, that's down there, you will see my URL there. Please click on it if you want any more information. If you want information about buying this software, getting that fabulous guarantee, money back if it doesn't make money for you, that is tremendous. Just click the link below and you'll be able to go and purchase the software, and you'll be able to look a little bit more into this that's on offer. So good luck to you, and thank you very much for listening to me. If I can find the way out of here, I will go. I'm having a bit of job. There we are. Ta-ta. See you again.
I can let